Hi Dress Your Cuties, Wendy here. It's fan art time, and today I have so many special fan art to show you. I know I say that all my fan art is special every time, but seriously, it's really amazing this time because the amount of effort you put into some of these pieces, I just had to show them to you because I'm so proud of you. And I want to thank you, cuties, for all the effort that you put into your drawings and then taking the time to send them to me. So before we get started on the camera roll, I wanted to give a special shout out to some of these fan art. And the first one here is from Ellie right here. Thank you so much, Ellie, for this. This is so special. She made me so many things. These little envelopes here from my craft right here. Ta-da! And then she made me a book with a really special message. Thank you. And her drawings, of course, right here. I should show them to you really quickly. Ta-da! And Ellie here sent me these two cute little penguins. Thank you so much. They're so special, and I will definitely put them on my wall in the back right there. Thank you, Ellie. And the next one is from Leia. Ta-da! Look at the amount of work she put into this. Wow, right? Isn't she amazing? And then there's another page. How special is this? And one more. Thank you so much, Leia. This is so special. Thank you. And we have one here from Zoe. Ta-da! Isn't that just the cutest? I just love her face right here. And another drawing in the back right here from her. So cute. And let's see here, one right here from, hopefully I'm going to pronounce your name correctly and not butcher it. It's from Bellina right here. Just wanted to show you really quickly. She did my lettering craft, flower, the hibiscus, and of course a special message. Thank you so much, Bellina. And the last one today I wanted to show you is this one right here. Isn't this beautiful? The coloring on this is gorgeous. And let me just remove this clip. And look at her envelope. This is from Lily, and I love her envelope right here with all the Pikachus, I mean the Pokemon art. And her little booklet that she made right here. This is just so awesome. And she wrote me a beautiful little message right here in the back. So thank you so much for that, Lily. And so now let's get started on the camera roll. And I really hope that you love these drawings. And once again, cuties, thank you for always taking the time and making the effort to send them to me. I really loved it. I'm so proud of you. And I'm just so happy to be able to continually inspire you. So I really hope you love looking at all these beautiful fan art, and I can't wait to show off the next batch. Just check out my link below for the address, and I will see you soon, cuties. Thank you and bye-bye.